This video, we're going to be talking about your US Bank app not working, and we're also going to be talking about how you can troubleshoot it. So I'm going to be heading into a couple of initial steps and common fixes. So first things first, I want you to verify if US Bank is experiencing known technical difficulties or maintenance by heading into websites like Down Detector and tracking user reported problems. Well, if that's not the case, go ahead and changing your Wi-Fi to cellular, or you could also try resetting your Wi-Fi by turning on and turning off the airplane mode. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try restarting your device, because a simple power circle, which is turning your device off and on again, can often resolve temporary glitches. And if that is not the case, head into App Store and search for the US Bank application, just like that, and then click on the application. As you can see, a button says open. For me, the same button might say update if there is any updates. If that is not the case, then just try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarified everything that you need to know about US Bank not working. So with that being said, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.